Hello everyone, so we are back again with our favorite algebra. Okay, so let's get started. So today we have equation x power 6 is equals to 4. So when can be x power 6 equals to 4, what would be the x? So we have to find all the possible values of x. So as we know, I hope you all know, because I can see the power is 6, so maximum roots or maximum solutions of x would be 6. So at most 6 values are possible. Let's try to find all of them, right? Okay, so let's get started. Let's write this thing first as -4. Can I do that? Yes, we are subtracting 4 from both sides. Okay, let's continue. So, let's write it as cubes square minus 2's square is equals to 0. Yes, why did I do that? I hope you all remember that property, identity actually, because a square minus b square gives you a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so let's continue. Hence, my a is this inside thing and my b is this, right? So it becomes cube minus 2. This becomes cube plus 2. Till here, I hope you understood. Let's continue now. Can I write this thing as cube here minus and cube here plus equals 0. Now, I am trying to make a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube. So can I write this thing in cube? Yes, of course. So cube root 2 whole cube. Is it possible? Why not? As far as it's a real number, yes or not? Yep, it is possible. Now, if I move on, scrolling, okay, now continuing, this thing is a cube minus this thing, this inside thing only, inside the bracket is b cube. This thing is a cube plus the same thing is b cube, right? I hope you all know a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Remember these identities, they are very important. Okay, let's continue our question. Now, from here, this becomes, using the negative one first, this becomes x minus cube root of 2, because that was my b. The same thing going on, x square plus x times cube root of 2 plus cube root of 2's square. Okay, I hope this part is clear. Now, let's come on to cube 1, this one, the plus one. Okay, again, x plus cube root 2 multiply, just the change of sign, cube root 2 plus cube root of 2's whole square. Okay, now let me clear this thing. 1 bracket, 2 bracket, third bracket, fourth bracket is equals to 0 because that's already given. That's what we are coming from. Okay, let's continue. Now, because they are 0, so one of them is 0. Let's continue. So, I'm first thinking this is 0, the very first, and this bracket and this bracket. Let's cover them first. Either or. We are still working in either or. Every time we are working in either. Not everything is possible. Any one of them would be possible. So obviously either or. Let's continue. One third. And from here, x is going to be negative of 2 power 1/3. Okay. Again reminding you that cube root of 2 can also be written as 2 power 1/3. Okay, so in the upcoming whole question I'm going to follow this thing only because that's easy to write, I guess. Okay, we are not done yet. First of all, okay, why? Because we have just worked out the 2 brackets. What about the remaining 2, right? And I'm gonna call it x1 and this is x2. Why? Because I need 6 answers. Let's try our best to find them all. Okay, so nope, I need it. Let's write this bracket now. X square plus x times 2 power 1/3, right? Plus 2 power 2/3. I hope you know this. If we are working with cube root of 2 square, we can write it as 2/3. Okay, let's take this is equals to 0 now. Now, can I say this is x square, this is only x with a coefficient, and this is the constant term. So, it's a quadratic equation. Let's use a quadratic formula. So, you know, x is going to be negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So quickly, my a is 1, my b is this, and my c is 2/3. Okay, continuing again. From here, x, let's say 4 and 5 we're gonna get. No, they would be 3 and 4, right? Okay. 3 and 4. Okay. Now minus of 2/3 plus square root 2/2 because squaring minus 4. A is 1, C is 2/2. Okay. Continuing with 2. Let's split them. This divided by 2 plus 2/2 common, then 1 here, 4 here, negative of 3. Okay, here entering the imaginary number. Okay, so now can I write it as 1 over 2/2 with a negative sign and plus this whole thing. When you open it up, this would be cancelled with this thing, and root 3 imaginary iota, and when you solve 2 with that thing, again 2/3 with plus minus. Where is my mind? Minus. Okay, so till now I got my x3 and x4, which is this part, right? Okay, let's continue. Don't go anywhere because we still have to work out for 5th and 6th, right? So let's go back a little. Quickly, if we need to check, this whole bracket is same, just the sign, the coefficient of this is changed, plus minus, right? So rather than doing the whole question again, let's check where this b is affecting my quadratic formula. So b, only b would be changed. This would convert into, for that, b would be negative of 2/1/3, so only this sign would get affected. Okay, so again, scroll. I'm just using a little shortcut, and I'm gonna write your 5th and 6th x. The answers would be positive 2/3. It's not shortcut actually, it's just a concept understanding, and I hope you also got understood. If not, you can do the question, that part of the question again, and use the quadratic formula again, and everything would be sorted, right? So you would already gonna reach here only. Okay, so our final answers are these 2x's, which belong to, I hope you know this is a belong to sign, complex numbers. And again, these 2x's, which are having iota, again belongs to complex numbers. And we have our real answers as well, which are these 2, which belongs to real, and this one also belongs to real number set. Okay, so yeah, these are our 4 answers. I hope you understood the whole question, and if there is any doubt, please comment me in the comment box underneath so that I can explain the thing again or do such more questions. Even if you're liking it, not liking it, just mention everything in the comment box, because that's the only way we can talk to each other, right? Okay, so yeah, that's it from my side. Take care, bye bye.